Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase homeowners insurance premiums with State Farm, full guide step by step clearly. To increase homeowners insurance premiums with State Farm, begin by gathering relevant information about your property. Review the current coverage levels outlined in your existing policy. Identify any changes in the property's value or condition that may require increased coverage. Research the local real estate market to understand comparable home values in your area. Consider any home improvements or renovations that have increased your home's worth. Reach out to a State Farm agent for a policy review. Discuss your findings with the agent and express your intention to increase your coverage. Provide any necessary documentation to support the updated value of your property. Ask about additional coverage options that may help protect your assets. Inquire about how changes may affect your premium rates specifically. Review the potential financial impact of increasing coverage on your overall premium. Confirm any changes to your policy details in writing for your records. Monitor the insurance market periodically to ensure competitive rates with your new premiums. Stay informed about any new insurance products or services that may benefit you in the future. After implementing these changes, maintain regular communication with your State Farm agent. This will help ensure your policy remains in line with your needs and provides adequate protection. By following these steps, you'll effectively increase your homeowner's insurance premiums with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.